Why did I get up so early? Right. I need to find out how fast this car is. Today I've got a Stage 2 Audi TT RS.
You're my lady, but you ain't my life. But you ain't my life, no. You're my lady, but you ain't my life. But you ain't my life, no.
This car should be making over 520 horsepower with a Stage 2 tune and downpipe. Let's put that to the test. We'll try manual mode first. Not sure why I short shifted here, but I really do like the way they set up the shift lights on this car. The dual clutch transmission is a blast to drive. Okay, now let's try full auto. God damn, it's definitely faster in the sport auto mode. I don't know if you can tell, but I was basically holding on for dear life back there. This Audi TT RS is surprisingly fast. The boost comes on hard and holds all the way out to 7,000 RPM. With two simple modifications, the car can keep up with a manual Z06. I just wish I was able to get a 60 to 130 time, but it did do 40 to 100 in 4.82 seconds. That's impressive for a little 2.5 liter. So, does anyone out there have a stock TT RS they want to test?
Can I make a confession?